The speed of Paul, it is so fast, you cannot comprehend it. Schools are changing, everybody's teaching about the speed of Paul. Paul is taking over every single school in North America, China, Asia, every single place. Speed of Paul is E equals nothing squared. Oh my goodness, Paul is the education system. Paul equals speed of light times 5. This is insane. Oh my god. Everybody's mouth. Education led up to this moment at the speed of Paul is what the speed of everything goes to. It's what I just want to do with my life. We'll be going to the speed of Paul. We're going to the moon with Elon Musk. Yes, this is true. I'm going to the space at the speed of Paul. This is crazy. But there's someone I met up there. Their name is Paul. They said that they're friends with Elon Musk and also Jim Giovanni. Don't know who Jim Giovanni is, but this is crazy. And he's also friends with Michael Jackson, even though he said he's best friends with everybody. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Paul is on Mars at the speed of Paul. Paul, he's chilling on the speed of Mars. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. I'm not lazy. Everybody's shazy, even if we're lazy, crazy. Hey, yo, Paul's on Mars. I'm the speed ball going everywhere. Yeah, he equals MC squared. Give him the math. Everybody's going down. Yeah, go near Paul. Everybody's going so crazy. Yeah, Paul is still at the speed of Paul. He's on planet 1, 3, 5, 6, 7. Everybody knows that he is Tyler Blevins. Big Fortnite trust every day. Everybody knows that he's not gay. And he's sad. He's not happy. Everybody knows that he's got a slave. Even though he's going to more. I just want to know more about Paul. He is so amazing. He's going at the speed of Paul. This is insane. He's not in Nova Scotia, but he would love to visit. That's what he's doing. On Saturday, he went to Nova Scotia and he had such a great time drinking beer. But then he realized that he's got to get some muscle back. He lost 3,000 muscles in the war of China. Won the war of China finally. And he got some games and he bulked up in the gym. That's right. He's got 20,000 muscles with his ding dong. He's got the 20-foot ding dong slingshot by his side. He's gonna kill everybody, including Big Dog. Everybody's gonna die right now. It's finally over. He's gonna go at the speed of Paul. That's right. It's finally gonna be so awesome. But what is happening? Oh my god. Palm is finally going to betray Paul. Oh my god. Oh my god. What? Farm is betraying Paul. But Farm has no chance against the 20-foot long King Sling.